All right, welcome to page 45. Here we read that a month is chosen from the year. Let's write out all of the months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We know that the probability is equal to desired over total. We're going to put this formula into our answer area. For the total, how many months are we dealing with? There's a total of 12 months. Find the probability of selecting March. Well, how many of these months are March? There's only one option for March. And so our answer is 1 over 12. Let's take a look at number 2. I'll rewrite my months here at the top. I'm going to rewrite my formula. I'm going to rewrite this over here to get my answer set up. We know that the total is 12. And now what we are wondering is find the probability of choosing a month starting with the letter M. How many start with the letter M? There's 1, 2. There are 2 months that start with the letter M. This answer actually can be taken into another step, but for the purposes of these videos, this is as far as we're going to take it for this question. Let's take a look at number 3. Find the probability of selecting a month either with the letter M or J. Well, let's skip a few steps here. Now what we are doing, we are looking for a month that starts with the letter M or J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 possibilities out of 12. All right, let's take a look at the next question. Find the probability of selecting a month starting with the letter A. Let's write down our equation. Find the probability of selecting a month starting with the letter A. 1, 2. There are two possible outcomes there. And again, this question could be taken further. There's an additional step, but for the purpose of these videos, this is as far as we're going to take it. Okay, for this question here, we are going to write our equation or our formula. Let's fill in the bottom number. And now we have to investigate. Find the probability of selecting a month with 30 days. Do you happen to know which months have only 30 days? It's the same every single year, and it actually does require a little bit of prerequisite knowledge. We don't teach you this in math. However, we are going to experience it from time to time. In order to remember which months have only 30 days, I have a small trick or a rhyme to remember. 30 days hath September, April, June, and November. So here we have September, June, April, and November. So we have a total of 4 months with only 30 days in them. I'll write it right here. April, June, September, November. Okay, and I'm gonna write the rhyme. All right, good job. If you have stuck with me on page 45, we have now finished, and I will see you on page 46.